the sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Give it like a solid 8 out of 10. He's trying to make me eat this, but I don't know how I feel about this little custard bun.
I just go to my terminal. Of course, I had to get an iced latte because it's 6 in the morning and I need caffeine right now. You know me, we got a matcha. So good. I have a bunch of work that I need to do, one of which is editing Vlogmas, so we're gonna do that right now. I think I have like 2 hours until my next flight, which is to LA. Flight number 2 to LA was about a solid 8 hours. It went by really fast because they provided meals. I watched the movies and was able to get some reading done. One of my favorite things about international flights is that they always have pillows and blankets for you, which is always needed because it's freezing on those planes. For my meal on this flight, there was dinner served, and it was probably one of the best flight meals that I've ever had. It was like chicken, rice, a nice little sweet and sour sauce, and then they had this incredible mochi bun. It was a 10 out of 10 meal. As for movies, I had so much time to kill, so the first movie I watched was It's a Wonderful Life, which it actually was my first time seeing this, and thank goodness that there was nobody sitting next to me because I was crying the whole time at the end of the movie. I just woke up from the fattest nap ever. There's nobody in the other seats, so you best believe I laid on it, and a girl was well rested. For breakfast, I had this really yummy omelet, and then I finally landed in LA where I had an 8-hour layover. Got some Panda Express for dinner tonight, mushroom chicken and fried rice. Now I'm in LA, and I have an 8-hour layover until I go to Austin. Just got to the Austin airport. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go home. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get rid of all this luggage. There's too much. Oh my goodness, my little... Wait, it's gonna fall.
Get the bag. You gotta lose it. Don't lose it.
Little baby. Hi. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. Hi, Choo-Choo.
That's heavy.
Choo-Choo.
Definitely did not want to go downstairs.
Oh my gosh, I miss Matcha. You're huge. Matcha is a gray man.
Yeah.
He's so cute. He just got a haircut too, so he's like super soft. Yeah. Anyways, I just got here to Texas, and oh goodness, that was like crazy travel day. You know what? Sometimes booking,
Some idiot just cut us
I don't
off.
say anything.
Some idiot just cut us off. Whatever. Hope he has a great Christmas. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. So I'll see you guys when I get back to my room. Because it's kind of hard to film when you're doing traveling all day. All right. Machi got excited.
Such a stinker.
Come here, choo-choo. I walked in, saw all of the Christmas, and I'm so happy because it has not felt like Christmas at all the past month.
Yeah, he gave me a Christmas present.
Merry Christmas, Macher. All right, time to see the other babies. Hello.
Babies. He's there. He's not fat like them, but
I
he's
know. He got
tall.
so big.
big. Yeah, come on.
Okay, I have to show you
gotta
guys.
go
Oh, he's ringing the bell.
up.
Oh, this makes my heart so happy. Wow, look at all of this. We love you, Catherine and Caroline. Oh, oh my gosh.
Look at all the presents.
Whoa. Mama did a good job. Did you help her?
Every bit.
So my mom still works at the preschool. I don't know if you guys remember this. And this is the best part about having a mom that works at a preschool because she always gets gifts from her students. Wow. This looks so good.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a lonely Christmas once again, making